And the breaking news that's in is coming from the top court, where the Supreme Court has expressed displeasure towards the centre's failure in providing compensation for the victims of the Bhopal gas tragedy till now. The top court also questioned the central government over the rupees 50 crore compensation and said that the fund remains the same. Meanwhile, Union Carbide Corporation has stated that it will not pay a farthing more if a settlement with the centre in 1989 is set aside by the Supreme Court. Joining me with more details is my colleague Harish, live on this broadcast. Harish, a very good afternoon to you. Well, the top court has expressed displeasure and has made very strong comments saying that the centre has failed in providing compensation to the 1984 victims of the Bhopal gas tragedy.
Yes, in fact, Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, who was heading the five-judge constitution bench, had several pointed questions to Attorney General of India, R. Venkatramani, who was representing the centre in this regard. Remember, the centre has sought an additional Indian equivalent rupees of rupees around 8,000 crore, apart from the $470 million the Union Carbide had already paid and has said that it is agreeable to reopen the curative petition filed in 2010 back by the then Manmohan Singh government. But today the Supreme Court had very pointed questions as to number one, how can you file a curative petition without filing a review petition as far as payment of compensation is concerned? And number two, how can you ask for further compensation when we find that rupees 50 crore is still pending undispersed, not distributed till now? And how can you seek permission for filing more documents in a curative petition? And Supreme Court also said that though the curative petition seeking for enhanced punishment for the owners of the Union Carbide has been dismissed, regarding payment of compensation, no curative petition had been filed. So Supreme Court found several procedure errors in the manner in which this petition has been filed. Apart from that, it said that there was some amount of compensation which the Union Carbide had already given, but which the centre has yet to be yet not distributed, yet not disbursed. Remember, this matter is going on as on last date of hearing in December, Modi government took a stand that it will pursue the curative petition filed by the Manmohan Singh government seeking an additional compensation of around rupees 8,000 crore, and said that every day the victim is still suffering. There are several victims with several ailments. Some of them are still seriously ill. So those who have not got compensation, those who have not got adequate compensation should be given more compensation. And that is why it is still supporting the curative petition. But today, the Supreme Court had several pointed questions to which the Attorney General representing the Union of India will have to respond tomorrow. Remember, on the last date of hearing, the bench had said that it is personally in the favor that this matter should be closed, saying that this has been going on for long. The Union Carbide had already paid $470 million, and there should be a quietus to the issue. So all eyes on the Supreme Court when the matter resumes tomorrow. We'll have to wait and watch what kind of response the Union of India gives to all these pointed questions posed by the Supreme Court bench today. Back to you.
Harish, thank you so much for joining us live with all those details on a very important breaking that we are breaking here on Mirror Now.